Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the food and beverage report in Docket. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of hospitality finance, focusing on the food and beverage report, Schedule 2, a key component compliant with the USALI standards. Let's begin. First, sign into your Docket account. Next, navigate to Business Reports from the top menu drop-down. Here, select Departmental Reports from the available options. On the Departmental Reports page, you'll find the Food and Beverage Report, Schedule 2. This report is vital for analyzing your hotel's food and beverage financials. Customize the report to your needs by selecting your preferred time frame and revenue sources. Once tailored, generate the report to delve into key revenue performance indicators and financial accuracy. To download your report, go to the top right corner of the report page and find the three dots menu icon. Click on the three dots to reveal the menu options. And from there, select Export as Excel or Export as PDF. A notification will appear indicating that the report can be downloaded from the Data Export section of Docket. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification. Click the ellipses menu on the Data Export page and select the Download option. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.